Are you a skincare formulator? Are you a starter? Do you want to learn more? A unique recipe that can work for you and also make more profit? Guys, please look no further but to contact Sir on 0554 629 031, and the numbers are on the screen. Yes, Sir skincare training is coming off on 27th to 30th of this month, and it is 150 Ghana cedis. Yes, so guys, take her number and call her or WhatsApp her. Yes, Sir skincare, your perfect glow skincare. Welcome once again to my channel. Sir Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for being with me so far. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my 5 times whitening soap. So let's get back to my workstation and make this together. Let's dive into this amazing recipe, our 5 times whitening soap. Yes, I'm also going to show you everything that I use on this video. And this is part of my training. Yes, those who get the opportunity will also learn how to do this one. So guys, I'm using my mulatto. I'm using the carrot one. I've used one. I'm using one of it. I've grated it, and I'm also going to add in my black soap. I'm using the big size. I'm using 2 of my black soap, guys. Please, 2 of my black soap, but one have been melted, so I'll add to it at the latter part. Yes, guys. I'm mashing it with the mulatto soap for easy dissolving, please, for easy blending. You can also pound this soap when you love it that way, but for me, I'll be using my stick blender for all these things. And guys, please, we sell all the ingredients. We sell it. We have all the ingredients at the stock. So you can also contact us for all the ingredients, both promixing and also organics. Yes, we sell it out. I'm also going to add in my Ashanti papaya soap and my Nano extra white soap. I use Ashanti papaya soap. I use 3 of it. And Nano soap too, I use 2. So I grated them and I'm adding it to my soap. I'm also going to add in my ozone soap. I'm using 1 of it. Please, I grated 1 pink ozone soap. You can use the yellow one, the blue one, the white one, any color of your choice. I use the pink one, only 1, please. That's my black soap, the melted black soap. Yes, and my first serum will be my white now concentrated serum. White now concentrated serum cures sunburn, eczema, dark spots, any skin problem. White now concentrated serum is very good. So I'm using full one. Okay, 1 bottle of it. 1 full bottle of it. This soap will whiten your skin, glow your skin, also clear all the blemishes from your skin tone. It will give you that flawless, succulent skin tone. So guys, try this soap out and bring your testimony. You can also contact us for your soap. Yes, I have added in 1 citroclear serum. 1 citroclear serum. I added in 1. You can add in 2 depending on your soap, please. Depending on your soap. My soap activator is so nice. It's whitening, so that's the reason why I added in few ingredients with my soap activator. You can also contact us for your soap activator too. It's very nice. Yes, guys. If you are stopping by for the very first time, please do well to subscribe. Also, turn your notification bell. Please join our skincare family. I'm also going to add in my carovate oil. It is a beautifying oil. I've added in 4 bottle of it. Please, my carovate beautifying oil is very good. But please, we have the serum also there. So be watchful whenever you are buying your ingredients out there. We sell some of the ingredients here, so you can also contact us. I'm also going to add in my skin free milk. Yes, half bottle of it, half bottle of my skin free milk. I added in my perfect skin whitenizer and repair. Yes, it is very, very good. It contains vitamin B3 and CPY. So I've added in 4 bottles of my perfect skin repair and whitenizer. I've added in one of it. So these are the oils and the serums. Yes, we have added to our soap. I love being doing whitening soaps than to do whitening lotion, whitening blah blah blah. I love whitening things in soap because soap are wash off product and you can wash it off anytime that you wish for. But I've added in my lactic acid powder, 1 tablespoon. You can add in the liquid, use 2 tablespoons of it, then you add in your soap activator. You can add in any shower gel, but please make sure it is a lightening or whitening shower gel, please. Yes, it's a lightening or whitening shower gel. We have some of the soap activator also there. This soap activator is a whitening or shapra activator. Yes, so it's very, very nice. It will give you even 2 shade lighter. So you can also contact us and get your soap activator. 3 days later, I blended it. Yes, but we have a little particles inside. So I'll wait for 1 week, then I'll blend it. This soap is Oshapra soap. Guys, yes, it's Oshapra soap, and it will give you that whitish color through continuous usage. Please don't use it only for once and you expect miracles to happen. No, use it continuously. Use it continuously and you are way to go. You can use this soap with a glow oil. You can use this soap with a moisturizer and you get your skin tone. Those fairer skin, this soap is for you. Yes, guys, come and buy it up. I have it available also there at the store. So please come and buy it. We are waiting for you people to come and buy it. So contact us and get yours. 1 week later, this is how it will look like. So yummy and so nice. And we have packaged it in our bottles or our container. Look at how it look like. So nice. Yes, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn the notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Remember to be part of Saf Skincare family. And you are way to go. You get all the ingredients, all the things, all the recipes, all the DIYs in our channel. We are here to empower the youth. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.